The local organizing committee for next month's Carifta Championships has revised its policy regarding one aspect of the requirements for participation at the Regional Track and Field Championship. Spencer Darlington tells us more.
The local organizing committee for the upcoming Carifta Games at the National Stadium is the latest body to revise aspects of its policies following last week's announcement by Prime Minister Andrew Holness on the abolition of the Disaster Risk Management Act. As a result, the Carifta Games L.O.C has amended the requirement for participation at the Games and specifically vaccinations for the COVID-19 virus. This was revealed by L.O.C Chairman Mike Fennell on Wednesday during the latest press conference to provide an update on Jamaica's state of readiness for the upcoming event.
We are pleased to advise that no proof of vaccination for COVID-19 will be required from participants, including athletes, coaches and other support personnel, officials, representatives of the media, volunteers and spectators. However, and I ask the media to emphasize this, we strongly recommend and encourage everyone to continue to practice the standard safety measures such as good personal hygiene, wearing of masks and social distancing.
Fennell also disclosed the number of spectators for which approval has been granted and elements of ticket sales.
For the moment, we know, like ISA for champs, we can accommodate up to 15,000 in the bleachers and up to 3,500 in the grandstand, because the maximum is 17,000. So certainly we can work on that, and we can work on the ticketing arrangements. And as of now, we are not going to have reserved seating in the grandstand. We'll have free seating, because we do not have the strength of product or the particular situation now to reserve and block off seats.
Meanwhile, one logistical aspect of the Games which is well advanced is that for volunteers. The organizing committee has received over 200 applications for this area.
We've, in the final analysis, selected 80 volunteers who will be involved in a number of areas pertaining to the Games: media, accreditation, liaison officers, etc. So we have selected a good core group of volunteers, which were primarily chosen from educational institutions, and some of them specializing in sports.
Training for the 80 selected volunteers is now in progress. Meanwhile, another corporate sponsor has come on board for the Games, with the organizers signing a contract with Recycling Partners of Jamaica during Wednesday's press conference. The 49th Carifta Games will take place from April 16 to 18 at the National Stadium, with over 500 athletes from 27 countries down to compete. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.